Guys, what's up? Today I'm going to show you how you can make a Corvette police car. So let's get started. Alright. Alright, so when we get started, so what you're going to do first is bring the reflection down all the way so you can see what you're doing. That's optional, but that's what I prefer. Then just color it plain white. Make it plain white. And then you're going to want to grab one of the first vinyl. It costs $100. And make it orange. It could be any shade of orange you want. But make it hashtag FA7A00. And then you're going to make it long all the way. And here's how I see what I'm doing. Right here, make it long like that. Alright, so we're just gonna now duplicate it, bring it to the other side. We'll do the same with this one. Like that. There we go. Then duplicate it. Make it black. All the way black. And just shrink it like that. And same with the other side. Duplicate it, make it black, and shrink it. There we go. So we just got that done with. Now the hard part is going to be doing the back, because you have to size it just right, or else it's going to show up on another part of the car. So I've never tried it with this car before, so maybe it won't. Doesn't look like it's going to, so that's good. Alright. I'll make it like that. And size it. Just gotta size it right. Sorry, I'm just trying to. That'll work. It's good enough. Alright. So now what you're going to want to do is put the police emblem on the side. And for this you're going to use Northwestern. And just, you don't need to capitalize it. It'll capitalize itself. And then make it big. And then you're going to put it right here towards the back of the door. Right there. And then same with the other side. Same with the other side. Alright, so we're going to just put it right there. And that'll complete that part of the car. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put the $800 one right here. I'm going to shrink it a little bit. Turn it to the side. And let's place it right there. And same on the other side. Wait, too tall. There we go. Now we place it right next to the police symbol. Or police. Whatever. Now we'll do it on this side. We'll do it on this side now. And like we did with the stripes, just make it black, make it small, like that. There we go, look at that. It's looking nice already. There we go. That looks pretty cool. Alright, so I just noticed that we have a mess up right here. We can fix that. Just put it on the side right here. Okay, so I think we're gonna have to fix that. Okay, so yeah, apparently it did mess it up. So just ever so slightly put it on there. There we go. And that sort of fixed it, which is good. Alright, so now we're gonna make this black. And there we go, it's fixed. Alright, now we're gonna make the American flag emblem on the side on this part right here. Yeah, you know, right here. Okay, so first what we're gonna do is get this, make it white, and then shrink it. And I just right there. And same for the other side, but you're gonna put it to the opposite side, right there. And then we're gonna make the stripes. And for this, you need to shrink the. You just need to shrink them. And it doesn't really matter how many stripes you put. I mean, from a distance, no one's gonna tell. Oops, messed up. So ain't nobody gonna know from a distance. So that looks pretty cool. Alright. Alright, there we go. So now we have the part of the American flag put on. So now it's time for the blue part. Alright, so now we're gonna shrink this. We're gonna put it right. I'm gonna set it right there. There we go. And we're gonna duplicate it. We're gonna set it right there. There we go. And then we're gonna put a star. We're gonna put a star. Now this star is gonna be orange. And then we're gonna size it and set it right. Make it a little bigger. There we go. I'll do the other side now. There we go. Now make that one black. There we go. Now we're all done with the sides now. So now what we're gonna do? Actually, no, we're not done with sides yet. So we're gonna put. So now we're gonna put protect and serve on the sides. Two pro. Whoops. Two pro. And serve. There we go. Look at that. That's looking really nice. Put that to the side. There we go. Look at that. Actually, we're gonna move it down here. There we go. Pretty much done. Alright, so here we're going to put emergency 911. Emergency dial 911. There we go. There we go. Look at that. So now we're going to put on the license plate. After we choose the light, then we're not gonna put on a push bar, but we're just gonna put these on. So these other sirens are optional. You have to, for this to look iconic or whatever, you actually do. I recommend you highly buy a police light if you're able to, if you can afford it or you're allowed to, or if you're able to. Get the sirens. Just put them on the top. I'm gonna choose this one, and then we're gonna got all the backlights on. So now we're gonna put on some fog lights or strobe lights, and we're gonna make them different colors. So this one's gonna be, and and the right one's gonna be blue. There we go. Now we can find the position. There, look at that. Okay. We're gonna put this plate on. I made it a while back. Look at that. Alright, so now we have the plates made up. And now we're gonna just put the police. There we go. Right there. But it's not complete without its very own number, so let's put a number on this car. We're gonna do 20. There. There we go. So, yeah, here we go. And there's no room to put a number on top, so I think we're all set here. Now we're going to do the front. Make sure we have nothing going on the back. Look at that. We're all about done. So now we're just gonna there we go. We are about done. So before we finish this, we're gonna put some lights on the back. Like some custom lights on the back. Right there. Okay. Now we're gonna there we go, look at that. Looks really nice. And I think that'll finish it with this video. This is how you do it. And I really hope you have a nice attempt on trying to do this. It's not that hard unless you know what you're doing. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you keep it subscribed for more updates. And I'll see you shortly. Peace.